Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. Before we get into anything, you know we have to take a moment of silence for everyone who has not subscribed to my channel. Yes, this moment is for you, my love. Thank you. All right, so first let me say I am going to be having a giveaway at 500 subscribers. I'm letting you guys know in every one of my uploads until I reach 500 subscribers. I am going to be uploading twice a week as well. So make sure you guys ring that bell so you guys can get uploads on all, or notifications on all my uploads. But yes, so today I filmed this Get Ready With Me. I actually have to work in just a couple hours, so this is what I would look like going to work. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please continue to watch. And if you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Bye. So to start out, I'm going to go in with my LA Pro Conceal in medium beige. This is going to act as a base for my eyeshadow look today. Now I'm just taking my beauty sponge and blending that all out. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to set that with my Bye Bye Pores from It Cosmetics. And this is just going to smooth everything out so it's nice and easy to apply these two eyeshadows from my Morphe 350 M palette. And I'm just using a blending brush and warming up my crease and a little bit above my crease. This is just going to warm up my eye a little bit. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to blend all of that out so it's nice and even. Now I'm going to take this chocolate brown shade and put this all over my lid. I'm going to put a nice coat of this on because it's going to be kind of like a brown smoky eye, just a little bit. Once I'm done packing that on, again, I'm going to blend that out with my blending brush and just making sure it's all nice and blended together. I want it to look really gradual. Now I'm going to put on my eyeliner using my Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and I've been getting kind of good at filming my eyeliner. Well, at least in this video, I feel like I didn't get out of frame too much. But yeah, I'm just gonna make a little wing for work. And yes, I do wear this much makeup to work on the daily basis. But just take your time when you're winging out your eyeliner. You want to make sure you get it right and not have to clean up anything and just make it quicker and easier. But once we're done with the eyeliner, then we're going to go in with some mascara. This is my L'Oreal Telescopic in Carbon Black. I'm going to put a nice coat of that in, and then I'm going to throw my Eyelure Vegas Nay lashes in Grand Glamour. And I did film the, I didn't cut out any clips of me putting on my eyelashes because I wanted you to see how long it really takes me to put my lashes on, because sometimes you just have to keep working with them and just use the tip of your fingers or your acrylics, whatever you have, to make sure that they're as close to your eyelashes as possible. Now I'm going in with concealer. I already have my foundation on. This is my Tarte and Tan Sand, and the foundation I'm using is from L'Oreal True Match in C7, but I didn't film that just to save us some time. But yes, I'm just going to blend all of that out with my beauty sponge and make sure it's all blended really, really well. I really do love this concealer. I think this might be my favorite concealer. I don't know if it's number one, but definitely top 3 between this one, my MAC Pro Longwear, and my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, I think it's called. Those are my favorite 3 concealers, like by far. I haven't found anything that I like more than that, but I do want to try the Kevyn Aucoin. I definitely want to try that one. But now I'm just setting everything with my Laura Mercier translucent powder in translucent, and I'm just making sure before I actually put this on, I made sure that there's no creases underneath my eyes, because you don't want to set any creases underneath your eyes, okay? Make sure you always blend that concealer out before you go on with the setting powder. Now I'm grabbing my Laura Mercier Translucent Medium Deep. This is actually my first time using this, and I can't say that I freaking love it, and I'm so mad it took me so long to try it. But, you know, I had to watch a few reviews and just marinate in it for a minute. But yes, I finally purchased it and I freaking loved it. I really do. Actually, the other day I used it right over my concealer. And I actually liked how it calmed down my highlight underneath my eyes and everything. So, yes, in my next video, I'm going to show you guys how it looks right on top of my concealer because it really brung everything together really nicely. So for blush, I'm going to use my MAC Raisin, of course. And I'm just going to push that up into my contour and on the apples of my cheeks to bring my face to life. And now back to eyes. I'm just taking those same colors I used on my eyelid to smoke out my bottom lash line and just make it look a little sultry. And then, of course, mascara. I actually put a lot of mascara on, but I didn't film all that. That wasn't necessary. Now I'm just putting my Jordana pencil in Lavish Brown in my waterline, and then I use these two shades for my tear ducts. I went with an all matte look today, so I didn't put any like highlight on. I didn't put any shimmery shades in my tear ducts. It's all matte today. But yes, now I'm going to set my face with my MAC Fix Plus, of course, drowned in it. If it's not dripping, you didn't put enough on, okay? Just fan that off, and now I'm looking at myself like, no highlight? Okay, boo. For for lips, I am using these three products. The first one is my Jordana pencil in brown suede, and then I went in with my MAC Mahogany right on top of that just to warm it up a bit, just because it was a little bit too dark and cool. I wanted to do something a little bit different. Then I threw this lip gloss on from Makeup Studio, and that is it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!